What's the pronunciation difference between these two words? Do you know? Let's take a look. For many people, it's a taboo to tell the difference between the long vowel sound E and the short vowel sound E. Let's take a look at some examples with the long vowel sound E first. Least, heat, seat, sheep. Now, with the short vowel sound E. List, hit, sit, ship. Now, let's listen to the words together to see the difference. Least, list. Heat, hit. Seat, sit. Sheep, ship. You see how different it is? Yeah, how different it is. Short vowel sound here. Thanks for watching.